In the study of Torah, most people mute the intellectual challenge, and the emotional and spiritual result is the main goal. This is usually not our style or the approach we take in our courses and lectures. We engage intellectually first, then the emotional and spiritual comes afterwards. If you are the type who likes the intellectual scholarly approach or want to try this style of approaching the text of the Bible, then I'm inviting you to consider joining our Nevi'im Rishonim, which is the former prophets course, as we tackle the book of Kings, chapter by chapter, verse by verse, on our Taste of Text platform. I grew up witnessing the magic of Bible study on a regular basis, where students sit and embark upon a study of the book of the prophets and many other books, reading one chapter at a time, wrestling with the text, encountering timeless biblical characters, rejoicing with their triumphs and feeling disappointment at their failures. We convene in to place the narrative in its historical and geographical context, examining the language, structure, and message of the chapter at hand. As we progress, the biblical figures become living, complex personalities, and we begin to absorb the powerful spiritual lessons of the prophetic books. What we have done is we have structured this series so that some of this wonder can be transmitted through this course. It is addressed to a teacher preparing a class in a school or seminary, to a mother and daughter studying a chapter of the prophets each Shabbat afternoon, to university students in an evening study group. Basically, anyone who is interested in a taste of text. The book of Kings can be impenetrable for many readers due to its complicated timeline and wealth of details. We hope this course will serve as a companion, weaving the various threads of Kings into a meaningful tapestry. Follow the link in the description box to enroll. Get your pen and your pad because you're definitely going to need it. And let's study some in-depth Torah together. Shalom.